Hello everybody, this is Gooby's Fan Collection here, back with another video. I have here is my 52-inch Furio Ceiling Fan. I had retrieved this from a neighbor's house. The people who had recently moved into our old neighbor's house, which was the old neighbor who has passed away recently. Actually, probably about a year ago at this point, but they were replacing the fans around the house, and I have retrieved this. Like, it is not original. What had happened to the original one was that the light broke. It was a spotlight kit, and so I had retrieved this forearm from a Airwin, which you can see that there is an Airwin full chain right there. Now, without further ado, let's test out the light kit. Oh yeah, I had taken out a bulb for the Hunter Coastal Breeze, but that socket also works. Low speed. This fan was manufactured back to the date of 2000, I believe. Alright. Medium. Medium does wobble a little bit. The blades are a little unbalanced. Now it does have a 4 to 5 blade configurable motor, so you can really have this thing with 4 blades as well. And it's actually pretty good with 4 blades. Alright. High speed. It does wobble on high speed. The fan blows an average amount of air. Not as much as the Hunter, but, you know, it's pretty good for what it is. Honestly, I keep it in here because it's pretty nice looking. I really like the finish on it. Black and brass has a nice touch. Turn on the light with it. Show you how it looks with the light. And give y'all a close up and top view. This tripod's a little weird. I think it's a little broken actually, as far as I remember. A tripod. Does have a little bit of a weird vibration, but you know, it's kind of expected in one of these little older fans. They aren't really the best quality, but just one of those that works. Alright, let's go ahead and turn it off. This fan is installed in my bedroom. I had replaced it. I had replaced the old fixture, which was one of those Samsung boob lights. Those Samsung dome lights. I don't really like those in particular. It's kind of weird to uninstall. But, you know, I do want to try and replace all the fans upstairs in this house because if my parents do have to sell it, and we would have to know that the next people who buy the house won't have to suffer from Oklahoma's weather because it is really humid and hot. This fan also does have reversible blades. Black and oak is that, I think, of what these are, right? Yeah. Black and oak. It's on the oak side right now. I personally really love it with the oak side. And That about sums up everything. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like and subscribe. And as usual, there'll probably be more fan videos in the future. However, this is the only other complete fan that I have in this collection. But anyways, thank y'all for watching. Bye-bye.